Welcome back to another quick guide. Today, we'll walk you through how to message on Bluesky. Here's how you can interact and message others indirectly. First, launch the Bluesky app on your device and log into your account. Use the search icon in the bottom left, then on the search bar, type out the username, then tap on the relevant result to find the person you want to interact with. Next, create a public post. Tap the compose button, usually a pen or plus icon, to create new post. Use with username to tag the person you want to message in your post. Next, reply to their post. Visit their profile or find one of their posts, tap on it, then tap on the reply icon, and once done, choose reply to engage with them publicly. Or, go back on their main profile and tap on the message icon and the follow button, then type out your message. Then once you type out the message you wanted, hit the send button. For now, public interactions are the primary communication method. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.